Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Sephora card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand one thing. Sephora does not officially support adding Beauty Insider cards or most of the gift cards directly to the Apple Wallet. Apple Wallet only works when a company provides an official add to Apple Wallet pass, and Sephora usually doesn't for loyalty cards. So in order to find that out whether the option is available or not, you need to simply open your Sephora application. After that, look for your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. When you are here on the membership barcode page or the details page, you just have to simply look for the button that says add to Apple Wallet. If you see this particular button, you will be redirected on the next page when you tap on it. So you just have to tap on the add button on the top right hand corner in order to add the card to your Apple Wallet. Now, if this particular thing is not available, you can scan the barcode directly at the checkout in order to earn the points and the rewards. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.